So today is 29th of April and this is Puri from Odisha, and as you can see how BJP is conducting its political rally using religious figures, and this is one of the goat भेड़ बकरी जिसे मैं कहता हूँ, and you can see a lot of भेड़ बकरी. They are also using children in this political rally, so I will show you. So all of them are chanting the name of God, and this is how BJP is conducting rally in my town. So by the way, Sambit Patra is fighting from my town. They are doing bhajan kirtan in the political rally, which is clearly a violation of EC guideline. I believe it will take time for them to come, so let's go there and see. They are also using kids in this rally. So right now the time is around 12 AM and the temperature is around 34 degrees Celsius. So in that temperature they are doing this kind of situation. So IMD also provided warning of extreme heat weather, and government also maybe banned working like labor job during this period of time, like from 11 to 3 maybe, but let's focus on this one only. These are all the religious figures in my town, and they are using it. You can see the Kali Ma figure. You can recognize that. So all these people are brought from some villages. You can also see the Ganesh figure. So these suits are really heavy in weight, and in this temperature they are making them dance here with these uniforms. That was some the rally, as you can see. Kids performing in the rally, which is sword and shield. Perfect, no? Tea seller. Kids again. You can see kids performing. Again and religious figure. Swords, as you can see. So I know doesn't care about how long or how far it was, because local people are not involved in it. I am a local people, and you can see all these people are brought from some village. From their attire you can understand them. So they are using swords, as you can see, in election rally. Kids are completely exhausted, as you can see from the earlier video. Kids are completely exhausted, but still they are doing it. That was a heavy uniform, very heavy, like 20-30 kilo or more. So BJP is making them dance with that in this hot weather and in this hot climate. So you have recently seen many people of young age died due to heart attack, and hope nothing like that will happen here, because the temperature is like really too much, and they have put on this huge body uniform. So this is really wrong, and they are using kids with swords, and they are using swords also in a political rally, which is completely against the rules of the election commission, but still they are doing it. So this is it, guys. So today is 29th of April, and I am recording it from my town Puri, which is one of the 4 dhams of Char Dham, which is a holy place site for Hindus. And this is how BJP is using religion for their political advantage. This is shameful, guys. This is shameful.